Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to edit a notebox in Excel. Okay, I have a two note example. Edit this notebox. Okay, right click, select note on, right click mouse. Now see this edit comment type or edit. Okay, and edit note 2. Go to data tab. Now see this data validations. Click here, input message. Now see this same name, note 2. Now click away. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.